solved and mixed up. Hi guys, back with another video. I'm Fred and this is Oscar. Today we'll be teaching you how to solve the 3x3 Rubik's Cube in a couple of easy steps. Cut it! Okay, so the first step is to get the daisy. The daisy is so every edge is white and the center is yellow, and also these match. So the green white with the green center, the red white with the red center, the blue white with the blue center, and the orange white with the orange center. And now I will show you how to get the daisy. So firstly, you look for a middle piece, and then you can just move it up to the top next to the yellow center. And now the other one, there's one here. Move it up here. And then there is another one right here. And now you have the daisy, and what you want to do now is try and get so these match. I only have it on 2, and that is fine. Because what you do now is you twist both of them down, so now that white is now with the white center, and the green one with the white center. And now these two need to switch. So how I do that, so you get this and you just move it around, and then you can do that, and then you move it back and you have the white cross at the bottom. What you want to do now is the next step is to get the whole white face. And now the problem is that you need to get this white edge to drop down into the right place between the green and red, so the green and red. So what you do now is an algorithm, so it's the up, across, down, back, up, across, down, back, up, across, down, back. Now it's called the righty algorithm. Now, as you can see, it is in its place between the green and red centers. And now all I have to do now is just make it so all of the other corners, so I've got the red with the red and then the blue with the blue, I need to drop it down. So this is the lefty algorithm. Up, across, down, back. Virtually the same thing, but with your left hand. So now all you have to do is do that for a couple of times, and then you have solved the next step. The next step you want to do is get the second row on each side. So to do that, you will need to use the righty and the lefty algorithm. So to do that, you try to find where it's the red and the green center needs to go with the red and the green centers. So now you can move it. How I remember this is you move it away from where you want it to go, lefty algorithm for the left, and then turn it to your right and do the righty algorithm. And now, as you can see, it is the middle piece is between the red and the green centers. So that is how, and then you just need to do it to complete each of the other centers. So you move it away, righty algorithm, turn it, lefty algorithm, and it, as you can see, it is between the red and the blue centers, the red and the blue corner piece. And now, as you can see, it is reversed. So what you need to do is just do the same thing as what I just told you to do. And then you find it, put it back to the right place. So the blue and the blue, turn it, lefty algorithm, turn it, righty algorithm. And now, as you can see, I have the whole second row. And now
Oh, are you playing? Oh, okay. Today we are going to be solving the Rubik's Cube.
And now the next step is to get the white, the whole yellow side
I'm not
complete.
sleeping for that whole thing.
To do that, Oscar, shut up and move the camera to me. So now,
I'm still in the room.
So now I need to get the whole yellow side complete. Do the thing. Now stay there. Oscar, we actually need to get it complete. Okay, and the next step is the next step is to get the whole.
Fred, hurry up! Why aren't you even solving it?
Oh my god.
Cube.
And now the next.
It's the yellow side.
Yeah, I know. Oscar.
And then
I know. I just solved it in like 2 seconds. Like.
You're getting that.
And now you have to get the whole yellow side.
No, you have to go and get it. That's the next step.
The next step is to get the whole.
Get my Rubik's Cube.
Is to get the whole.
My Rubik's Cube.
Is to do the whole.
My Rubik's Cube.
Is to do the whole
get
yellow
my Rubik's
side.
Cube.
So to do that, you turn it upside down. Do the lefty algorithm or the righty algorithm, whichever one you want.
On your face. Keep playing.
And now, as you can see, I have the whole.
It's still there.
I have the whole yellow side.
Sad. Happy. Sad. Happy. Sad.
I have the whole
Happy. Sad. Happy. Sad. Happy. Sad. Happy. Sad.
And now I have the whole yellow side. I have the whole yellow side, the red side, and the white side. So now this is the absolute last step, except sometimes it takes 2
this
goes.
one?
You do the righty algorithm, lefty algorithm, righty algorithm 5 times.
No.
Lefty algorithm.
Yeah, then you do the lefty algorithm.
5 times.
And then voila!
And then you have solved the Rubik's Cube.
What?
And now you have completely solved the Rubik's Cube.
Nah. No. Try to solve it now. We're waiting. No, friend, you still haven't solved it correctly. See, there's still 4 sides.